Hi everyone, I'm Alix Lamotte, a master's student at HEC Paris, and today I'm going to bring you with me for a day in my life. After dragging myself out of bed, it's time for my usual morning routine. And now the million-dollar question, what to wear? So just a casual t-shirt and a pair of jeans combo should do the tricks for today's schedule. After a quick shower, it's time to fuel for the day ahead. I prepare a simple breakfast in my room and usually some cereal and a fruit to keep me going. Just a quick room tour before leaving. The room is cozy, it has everything I need, a bathroom, a desk and a small kitchen. Now time to pack the essentials: notebooks, laptop, pens, door locked and keys in the hand. I am now leading you to the main campus, so it usually takes 5 to 10 minutes to go to class. So as you can see, we have a pretty big and green campus, so it's nice to have a bit of fresh air before to go to class. So now it's time to dive into the first class of the day. Let's go. Classes are a big part of our day. They are really engaging, and that's what I love at HEC Paris. The emphasis on collaboration and exchanging ideas. Teachers are also experts in their fields, and we often have professionals to come and share their expertise. Time for a quick break, just enough time to grab a snack at the cafeteria. Back to class now, ready to tackle the next topic. We have a few work projects to prepare, and it's always great to work with my classmates because they come from all over the world, they have different backgrounds and experiences. Classes are done for the morning, but I still need to study, so let's head up to the learning center. It's my go-to spot for studying. It's quiet, it's open 24/7, and it's really the perfect environment to focus and get the work done. Now the study session is done, let's head up to the campus canteen to see what's on the menu today. When it comes to food options on campus, there's something for everyone and all budgets. We have the canteen with lots of options, food trucks, each offering its own specialties. Check out what I've got on my plate. Look tasty, bon appétit. Today I have a business club meeting. We have to brainstorm ideas and plan the logistics for our event. Let's go to the campus restaurant Le Gustave. It's cozy and quiet at this time. Speaking of student associations, there are so many cool clubs and associations on campus, more than 130. Whether you're passionate about sports, entrepreneurship, social causes, there's something for everyone here. So we've made a lot of progress. Now let's hit the gym for a small workout before the end of the day. We've got tons of options for sports and fitness here on campus, whether it's just hitting weights, playing football, tennis, or even just going for a run outdoors, there's something for everyone. Alright, so now let's wrap up the day. Being a student at HEC Paris is really a one-of-a-kind experience, whether it's the quality of education, the opportunities we have. So today was just the tip of the iceberg. Each day brings something new, whether it's a challenging case in class, a spontaneous conversation with one of my colleagues, or with the teachers, for example. All these different kinds of experience make it a unique experience, and that's why I love it so much so far.